Meaning of demilitarization.
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 Demilitarization. Demilitarization refers to the process of reducing or eliminating military presence, equipment, or activity in a particular area. The result is often the establishment of a neutral zone or buffer zone where military forces and activity are prohibited or severely limited. It can also refer to the disarming of military personnel or the destruction of military weapons and infrastructure. Demilitarization can help to reduce tensions and promote peace between conflicting parties, as well as facilitating the peaceful resolution of disputes. Ultimately, the aim is to create a safer and more stable environment for all parties involved.